What's going on, guys and gals? Today we're gonna be doing a Gnarcotic X Superrradical unboxing. This unboxing is from Gnarcotic.com. They shipped it really late, like 3 weeks, and it took just a few days for it to get here. I'd say, well, it would have taken them a shorter time for it to get here, but something happened in transit. I don't know what happened. They wouldn't tell me. I emailed them, never responded. I emailed them 2 weeks after I bought it, and it still hadn't shipped, so I emailed them, messaged them on Instagram, nothing. But here we have it. So, let's dive right in. Okay, first item out the bag, we have a receipt here from Gnarcotic. Second one out, we have the Gnarcotic shirt, red and white. I thought it was red and black. That's strange. We also got the Gnarcotic X Superrradical Bart Simpson riding a skateboard type of thing right there. And on the receipt, I only bought these two. But in the bag here, we got a Gnarcotic X shirt. I did not purchase that. It doesn't say it on the receipt. Bonus item. Yeah, that's what we got in the bag. I actually can't believe that they sent me a bonus item. You can see, let me just mark out these things really quick. You know, the my name, my address, you know, order, date, ship date, yeah. You can see on here, there are only 2 items. This one is the, this is the Bart Simpson one, and this is the tie-dye one. I didn't order this. It doesn't have a sizing on it, which is kind of weird. Let's see here. There's nothing on the inside. There's no sizing on it. And it also didn't come in a it doesn't have the Gnarcotic type of thing that these have on it, and it also didn't come in a bag. It's a, I mean, I'm guessing that it's a large. Yeah, it's pretty cool though. Yeah.